If the thought of making the wrong career choice is holding you back from making a career choice, well, here are 5 techniques to help unlock career indecision based on the work I do as a careers coach in Cambridge and London. 1. Just because the stakes are higher doesn't mean you need a whole new way of making decisions. You've got to where you are by making countless decisions, from what to wear, eat, where to holiday, what to study. And sure, the stakes may well be higher with career decisions, but maybe that's an argument for making decisions in a way that's worked for us well in our past. 2. Accept you won't be 100% confident with any decision you make because A, well, then it wouldn't be a choice, but B, it might not even be a good idea to target 100% certainty. Now, let me show you with a graph. Let's say you have 5 potential career ideas sketched against how sure you might be feeling about each. The highest is career choice A, which let's say we're 43% sure about, others a little lower. Now, it's easy to see that the 43% choice is still the optimal one to make, even though we're not even more than half sure it's the right choice for us overall. Okay, so you definitely want to up those confidence bars as much as you reasonably can through work experience, shadowing, and other information gathering, whilst also knowing that at some point, the increases in confidence you get from those activities will start to level off. So a very good decision-making process might actually look like moving a 43 to a 51, but then being okay with choosing that because it very much represents the optimal choice for you when compared with the other options you have. A good career decision can often be made by accepting a lower confidence threshold. 3. Own your decision. Devote yourself to it fully so that you can figure out if it actually is the right thing for you or not, sooner rather than later. And there's no problem in changing direction. If you've tried it fully and it's not for you, you're not going to fall behind. The only way you truly fall behind is if you agree to remain trapped in a choice that just isn't working out. And also, by throwing yourself fully into your decision, you're giving yourself the best chance of succeeding because success is often a function of dedication. It's all we can do, and that's very much enough. 4. The optimal career path is unknowable. There's no time in the future where you'll be able to definitively say you're either on or not on your optimal career path. So if you're being held back by the thought that committing to a particular path will mean deviating away from an optimal career path, well, here's the thing. You're never going to know it. It's unknowable information, so don't torture yourself. 5. Let your subconscious do the heavy lifting. The default mode network is one way our brains make new connections between things, and it's active when we're at wakeful rest, such as with daydreaming, or as writer Dan Keyes shares in his 1953 book Flowers for Algernon, don't keep pushing for answers that won't come. I've got to take my mind off the problem for a while, and I've gone as far as I can on a conscious level. And this is so true for career decisions. Yes, you do want to consciously reflect on what matters to you about careers and seek information that helps test those ideas, but then do let your subconscious come into the equation. Allow for reflection to happen in a way that's invisibly effective and 100% congruent with the fullness of you, allowing everything I've learned and experienced to be brought to bear on a problem. Pushing too hard will only make things freeze up. To sum up, you've made millions, if not billions, of really good decisions. There's no reason to think that now is the time you'll make a bad decision. This isn't about making a decision you're 100% certain about. Such a thing is impossible. And perhaps most importantly of all, making a choice with kindness to yourself. It's with kindness that the very best decisions are made. Take good care.